Hey folks, it's Sue, the French Texpat. I'm coming to you on a Thursday night. We are having a bring something from your home country delicacy for my French class tomorrow. And I don't recognize this person because I decided yesterday that I was going to make peppermint bark for the first time ever in my life. I've never made candy before in my life. So here are the challenges I faced. Number one, there's no peppermint extract in the stores. Number two, there's no candy canes in the stores. But I was able to MacGyver the whole thing, and I'm going to show you a picture of what I am bringing tomorrow. And although for decades I have been a complete fan of Trader Joe's peppermint bark, this is the best peppermint bark I have ever tasted in my entire life. And if you want the recipe, I will be happy to send it to you. Let me know. Let me flip the camera and show you the picture. Is that not gorgeous? Yes. Yes, it is. So bonne journée, bonne soirée. Have a fantastic weekend, and I'll see you again soon. Au revoir.